Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things you need to know before writing JAMB 2025 examination. Even before even starting preparing for JAMB 2025 examination, what are the 5 things you need to know? Okay, even before you start reading, the 5 things you need to know. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. All right, now the first thing you need to know is that first important thing, you have to get your NIM, your NIN. Please go and get your NIN. At least you know, your parents know what NIN is about. Okay, please go, and that's your national identification. Okay, so please do go get your NIN. And please, what's important thing when getting your NIN is that in getting your NIN, make sure it tallies with your your WAEC results, the names you have been using, the name on your birth certificate, because that's what they are going to ask when you are filling that NIN form. Your birth certificate name should tally with your NIN name. It should tally with your WAEC. For those just registering for WAEC, please don't just, I just see some students just lackadaisically just fill their WAEC result, their WAEC form, and you might be blaming, oh, my teacher made error, but he gave you form to fill. Are you with me? So please, or you complain the person in the ICT department made error, you are the one, you filled a form, you gave him something. So please, it should tally your first name, your middle name, your surname. That arrangement should tally. It should be consistent in all your documents, because I've seen people miss admission because of all this. The WAEC certificate name doesn't tally with your JAMB name, doesn't tally with your NIM. Please make sure all those things are consistent. I beg you. Your birth certificate name, the WAEC, what you're going to put on your WAEC, and when registering, the name you're going to give. Okay, because it's quite important. It's whatever is in your name, that's what will go to your JAMB. That's what your JAMB will pull up. Okay, because you present your NIM number. All right, even in generating your profile, you use your NIM to generate your profile, so it will be tied to you. You can see how important getting that NIM is. Please, I cannot overemphasize. Please make sure you get every process right in doing your NIM, and do it now. Don't wait till January, because there will be a rush in January 2025. Please do it now, while nobody is many people are thinking about it. Okay, do it now so that there's no delay. And it takes like sometimes I'll see some students crying, JAMB form is out, it will even pass, their NIM has not come out because they started late. Some people, it might take 2 months before their NIM number comes out after registration. So please, if you don't want that sorry story now, I beg you, talk to your parents, go do it now. Let them give you the funds. Go sit down there and wait and do it, so you know that you are cleared. All right, so the next thing is, during registration, you put your name and it will generate your profile. Don't worry, just as far as you're subscribed, please subscribe to us. Okay, because I'll be sharing out a lot of information that's going to help you. Okay, before registration for JAMB form will be the JAMB form will come out or commence, we are going to do a seminar. That seminar is important to help you navigate the registration process so you don't make mistakes. Please stay subscribed to us. Also join our Facebook group, join our WhatsApp channel, our WhatsApp group channel. All the links will be in the description box. That's where I'm going to be saying, oh, this is when we're going to have the seminar. You should join. All information, so you avoid any errors, email error, several errors, phone number error. Are you with me? So please do make sure you join us. All right, so NIM, very important. The second thing, your subject combination. What course do you want to study? Okay, students say, oh, I don't know my subject combination. It is easy to know subject combination for engineering, for medicine, those top accountant is easy, but there are some other courses that you might not really know the subject combination and even the WAEC subject requirements. I tell you, there are some schools that, let's say for instance, you are going for engineering in Unilag, you must do further maths in your WAEC. If not, even if you score 300 plus, they won't give you admission. So I beg you, as you are registering for your WAEC, if you are doing engineering, you feel schools like Unilag, UI, better go and put further maths. That's why all this information is very important. You have to know the school's requirement for that your core course. And in the DT, at the JAMB brochure, I'm gonna yes, it's in the Facebook group. Okay, and I will upload the latest version very soon on the Facebook group. So if you don't want to wait, you can go to the JAMB website and you will get it. Okay, but I'm going to share it on the Facebook group. All right, so that's the PDF. So you go through, check the exact requirements. One way to also check it is you can go to the school. If you have someone close to the school, someone that's already doing that course, you can ask them, please, what's the particular requirements for this course? Okay, some schools will say biology. I know one course, is it economics? They'll say biology CRS or any other art. So you need to confirm. All right, and the best way to do that is going to the school, going to that department, exactly that department, and asking. Are you with me? And asking, please go to this. See, don't be afraid. You know, then I was like you, when I was student, I was afraid, would anybody answer me? But you are a prospective student, candidate. You can go to the department. Yes, that's why they are there. That's why they are there. It's just like a company. All right, but this is like now a public or a state company. Ask, go to the department, go to the secretary. There's always a secretary to the office of that department. Please, ma, I want to confirm the subject combination of this course. And she will tell you, this is what you have to have in your WAEC. She will give you all the information that you need. That's one way to confirm exactly if there's a particular, some typical courses that you don't just go to Google. Hey, my God. Don't go to Google and say that is all. No, don't do that. Please. You can even ask me. I will try. I will also help you. Okay? My WhatsApp details is there. You can ask me. Go on the Facebook group. Ask. All right? On the Facebook group, we have past students. All right? That have done JAMB since 20. I think the Facebook group was, when did I create that? I think 2018 or 2019. So, students will reply you that, oh, this is this course, so this is this for this course, so very important. Okay, so university of choice, it depends on three major things. Do you have money for it? Affordability, location, security. I think that's it. Yes, affordability, no, security, and quality. All right, there are some schools, some departments, very critical department, nursing, medicine, and all that. Please ensure that they are NUC accredited before you say you pick that university. Are you with me? You know, there are some top schools. If you're the one you want the best schools in medicine, UI, Unilag. You can search for that. All right, that's for quality. Now, another thing, security, location. Do you want to go to the north? That's what you check. That's what determines, your parents will say, oh, okay, I don't want you to go this far. The next one is affordability. Affordability means money. All right, there are state schools. Hey, I remember when I was in a state school, thank God, it was even when I left that they increased the school fees from 25,000 to 250,000. People dropped out from school. So if you are going to state school, your parents should be able. Are you with me? It's not only private school that is expensive. Your parents should be what? Able. So if you know your parents is not able, sit down, read very well, and enter and fill a federal school. Federal school, there are more people going for some higher competition. So it means you need to read. Okay, because federal schools are being subsidized by our Nigerian government. Yes, they are. Okay, so as for university, and there's a point for university. Oh God, that just keeps me now. Choosing university is don't worry, when it comes back, I'll come back to that. Okay, so now the next thing is syllabus. What to read. Syllabus and recommended textbooks. For your syllabus, go to the Facebook group. I have put your syllabus there. In fact, I have even created a timetable for you with your syllabus. You see, we are here to support you. You must pass the exam. Believe in yourself. Let me tell you something. See, the first thing to passing anything is information. And this is what I'm giving you. After information is planning. I have planned timetable for you. You can even go a step further and plan. Just use it. Use that syllabus. I put the whole syllabus of all your subjects in that timetable. Okay, into a 30 days challenge for you to read. You can watch that video. I think I've explained something on that video. I'm still going to do more videos, okay? But on the Facebook group, it is there. You can download PDF. Go to the file sections. The link to join the Facebook group, I'm gonna leave in the video description box of this video. Okay? So your recommended textbook, very important. Look at this. You see, you don't want to see. Look at this. You are doing physics. The science physics. You need this book. Can you see this? You need this book. Go to a bookshop. Get this book. Mathematics. This book. Which other one? There are several books here, but I would state all your recommended textbooks. I think I'm going to drop that on the Facebook group. That's another information. Don't worry, I'm just starting now to give you all your informations that you need. Go to a bookshop and get these books, and please stay close so you attend our seminars, because I'm going to call our past students that scored 342, 338. They are going to tell you the books that they read. For physics, chemistry, all the books, your account students, your arts. And I will drop in the Facebook group JAMB recommended textbooks. All these books are all there. You don't just read, I remember the last seminar we had. Last seminar, was it this year or last year? Okay, I think early this year. Okay, where I called other people. So a student was like, she was only intending to use just essential biology to study. The student, which is a medical student now in OAU, he was like, don't try that, oh. You can't use only one textbook to study for JAMB if you really want to score 300 and above. Are you with me? Okay, so your recommended textbook, very critical. Go to a bookshop and get your textbooks. Okay, so that's for syllabus and recommended textbook, and I will leave that in the Facebook group. Very important you join the Facebook group on our WhatsApp channel. Okay, then the final thing that is critical, please get a CBT JAMB app. Very, very critical. Are you with me? I know most people say, oh, you want to market. Yes, I will talk it and I will market DTW JAMB CBT app. Why do you need a CBT app? Because your exam is computer based. You need to practice under that same condition. And you can go and check my channel. You'll see the amazing things that DTW is doing, the CBT app is doing. You go and check the reviews. Get a CBT app. Yes, you say, oh, I want to get a past question booklet. I want to do this. I won't stop you from getting past question. But you see CBT app. Let me tell you what the DTW JAMB CBT app will do. You can just go search on Google Play Store. Just download it freely and you'll see the features. There's a particular feature for every student, very critical, which we built into it. It's question search. You read a particular topic. You want to practice. If you are with your past question booklet, that's how you'll be flipping. Flipping to look for question. But with that question search, just type the subject, type the topic, click search. What will it do? It will curate all questions under that topic within seconds. From 1998 till date, it will curate it for you, all the questions under that topic. So when you finish reading that topic, you now revise with those questions. That is the game changer, the secret that people use to score 300 plus. There are other features there. On the DTW CBT app, all your JAMB brochure is also there. It will show you everything about your course, the requirements. Okay, even the contact of your school, the website of the school, in case you are having doubts. Oh, I need to confirm this. The number is on the DTW CBT app. And let me not speak. Just download, browse through the features. Okay, It's an investment that you need to make, a 4,000 naira investment on your exam, and I guarantee you, you will never regret it. You know, the other day, maybe because people, you know, most people have been scammed a lot in Nigeria. So a student contacted me. He's saying I should activate. And I told her, it is 4,000 naira. He said, is it not, why should I activate? Let me go and buy shawarma. I said shawarma that you will poo-poo in seconds. In how many minutes you will poo-poo shawarma? There's something to invest on your own education, so that you will write your exam once and forget and just go to school. Are you with me? Please invest. You invest, you get your books. See, yes, his name is Thomas, that's called 342. He said, you see, all this is money that his parents will give me. He gathered it. One subject, he has like 4 textbooks. That is investment. And when you get into school, just read one. When you get to university, you will see it now. Just read one subject. You will count how many materials. Now that the internet is there, you will open PDF files, be reading. That is the only way to get A's and to be above. To be the extraordinary, you have to go what? Extra. Let me not talk too much. This is 16 minutes already. Okay, so please, I beg of you, just follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, and we have also online intensive classes for your JAMB. If you know, I always tell people, if you can't start studying, look for something that will kickstart your study. Join a group, join tutorial. Don't wait, don't wait till January. Don't do this mistake. Okay, start early now. Start early, I beg you, my brothers and sisters. Kickstart your study. We are starting classes in November. 1st of November, we're starting our classes, JAMB online classes, live, Google Meet. You'll be seeing your teachers, you know, everything. Or you'll be on the WhatsApp group. You will be with people studying. Iron sharpeneth what? Iron. That is the word of God. Be in that group that would just shake you, shake the laziness out, kickstart your study. Okay, so join us. We're starting 1st of November. If you want to join us, my link also WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp us. It's in the description. The link either in our TikTok, and you will see the link. All right, on the video description box of this video. All right, thank you. So these are the 5 things you need to know, okay, before writing JAMB 2025 exam. The first thing is what? Your NIM, as I said. The second thing, your subject combination. The third thing, university choice. Please, especially the financial aspect, make sure you think about that before you choose your university. The fourth thing is what? Your syllabus and recommended textbook. And the fifth and important thing is what? Getting a JAMB CBT app. And get the DTW JAMB CBT app. You will never regret your investment. All right, thank you. If you want to join us for our online classes, do contact us. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. And he's the one who's going to meet you, you know, take us to heaven at last and give us peace right here on earth. All right, from us, from DTW Tutorials, we love you, and you are DTW. Do you know what that means? You are destined to win. You are destined to win in your forthcoming JAMB 2025 examination and also in life. And I want you to quickly comment, I am destined to win. Down, comment it in this video. Comment, I am destined to win. Believe in it and speak it to yourself to clear out any negativity that has been, you know, negative thoughts that has been speaking. You cannot do it. You are dull. Can you ever be like this? Can you ever? Maybe someone has spoken something. Wake up in the morning, tell yourself 3 times, I am destined to win. Let me tell you, the only way to fight these things with the word, is your word. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. You have to speak something. Speak something to your life. Are you with me? Okay? You are destined to win. Take care and see you in our next video.